This short tutorial shows how to buy shares of Centrus Energy Corp, specifically how to buy shares of Centrus Energy Corp using an online broker. Centrus Energy is a U.S. nuclear fuel and services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LEU, and this video is for educational purposes, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will typically need to verify your account by uploading an ID and then add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LEU to find Centrus Energy Corp. Make sure the result shows Centrus Energy Corp and the NASDAQ listing to select the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name, ticker LEU, and NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the correct asset before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.